The next step is to decide what level of restoration you're going to do. And on this, we're going to do a level 1, get it running and driving safely. Fortunately, the old V6 seems to be relatively untouched, but somebody did add an electric fuel pump on the firewall, and there's evidence of an electrical fire with burnt and bare wires everywhere, which is a mess. And that'll all need to be fixed before we even think about putting a battery in and trying to crank this thing. So the first step is to start tearing things apart and remove anything that we're going to replace. This includes all the hoses, the alternator, the fuel pumps, the wires and the distributor, and the carburetor. Now, this is a great example of why it's a good idea to replace gaskets on a vehicle that's been sitting for a long time, even if it has low miles like this one. Look at this old gasket, how it's turned to dust. This would leak like crazy, so now's the time to fix it. Now, the last step is to pull the intake and the valve covers, and an 8,000-mile engine should have no sludge and be super clean. Look at that! That is like right out of the machine shop, and that is awesome. Can't wait to see under the intake. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's super clean. Got the cam and everything in there. Man, those ports are just perfect.